Hi, welcome back to part 2 on how to draw Joe and the cat from Soul. Today I'll be showing you where to put all the colours and things like that. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to go around the character with this black pen and just rub off all of the pencil afterwards.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, so now you have done that, you just want to colour in Joe first before the cat. And then whilst I'm there, I'm just going to colour in his hat, which is a grey blue colour.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, so I've done the face now and the hat, and I've also added at the sides right here a bit of black because that's his hair. Another thing that I did was his glasses and also his eyebrows that are just in black. Otherwise, for his skin colour you want to do like a dark brown like this, and then you also want to do a light brown, and you just want to blend them together because some bits on his face you want to be slightly light brown, like on his eyes, and then other bits like all around his face you want it to be in this dark brown. Now we can just move on to his outfit, and his outfit's just in this dark green, and then whenever you want to add some shadows, just add a bit of black.
So there goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by.
Okay, so once you have done the jumper and you've finished with all of the shades, you can just move on to doing the cat. But first I'm just going to show you where I put the shades. I put them right here because the cat's here, so it's creating shade, and then also right here, and then over here in this corner. Okay, so for the cat you want to use ginger, and I'm going to use this pencil right here, and then afterwards I'm going to just use a dark brown for certain patches, and you'll see where I put them when I colour them in on the cat. And then afterwards you just want to use a lighter brown just to put in the middle. The last thing you want to do is you just want to colour in his hands, and his hands are exactly like the face, and you want to make sure you put some shades right here in these creases, and you also want to put a bit of dark shades right here near his sleeve. So let's get colouring then.
I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Okay, so what I did for the nails on the hands is I coloured them in pink like this, and then I added two different browns, so a darker one and also a lighter one, just to smother it a little bit. Nose, you just want to do it in a light pink like this, and then right here under the nose you just want to add a bit more black because you want to add a little bit of shadows. Once you have done that, then you have completely finished. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more drawings that you would like me to do, then just put them in the comment section and I'll try and draw them for you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.